In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error. Start a server on Replit to see the hosted output. If you're seeing that message on Replit, it usually means your project isn't actually running a web server. Replit shows a hosted output pane only when it detects a server listening on a port, so we'll walk through confirming your setup and verifying the code that starts the server. First, head to the Replit homepage. From there, open the project section so you can view all of your repos in one place. Find and open the specific project that's showing the error. This gets you into the workspace where we can inspect both your environment and your code. Once the project is open, look for the library or packages area in the sidebar. This is where you can see and manage dependencies your project uses. Verifying the environment helps you confirm that your server framework is actually available. For many Python web apps on Replit, that framework is Flask. Next, in the File Explorer, locate the Python libs folder. This directory holds installed Python packages within your REPL. Open it to take a quick look under the hood, then drill into the Flask folder. Seeing this here is a good indicator that Flask is present in your environment, and it can help you rule out missing dependencies as the cause of the error. If you prefer to manage packages through the library interface, you can always return there to review versions and settings. With the environment checked, turn your attention to the main script of your project, often named main.py or app.py. The key is making sure your code actually creates and starts a server process. For Flask, that means you should create an app instance and run it so it listens for incoming connections. On Replit, your server typically needs to bind to host 0.0.0.0 and use an available port, often provided via an environment variable. The important part is that the code starts a long-running server rather than just executing and exiting. If the script finishes immediately, Replit won't detect an active server and will continue to show the error. Double-check that your entry file is the one Replit is set to execute and that no blocking code prevents the server from starting. Also, confirm your server starts without crashing on import errors. Once your script reliably launches a listening server, Replit will detect it, and the hosted output will appear as expected. That's it. By confirming your project, verifying Flask in your environment, and ensuring your main script actually starts a server, you'll resolve the starter server on Replit to see the hosted output error.